Before starting this video, I want to say a huge shout out to Aspect for helping me on teaching and learning mechanical keyboards and helping me on the script for this video. If you want to check out his YouTube channel, it is on the link of the description. He has a new video as well, so be sure to support his content. From that, let's start the video. Hey everyone, this is Kyle, aka Aspire from the Aspire Tech channel, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing my new wireless mechanical keyboard for this year, which is the Ajazz K680T. Opening the box reveals the keyboard, which is inside a wrapped foam, and it has other accessories such as the manual, a 1.6 meter USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and finally the keycap puller. Also, if there isn't a switch puller in the box, that means the keyboard isn't hot swappable and you have to desolder if you want to remove the switch. The keyboard I chose for this video is the black variant, and as you can see, it is a 60% layout, it has dual shot ABS keycaps, and it is following the ANSI layout. The design of the casing for this keyboard is plastic and does not flex. It is also a plate mount keyboard. It has a white backlit with 18 lighting effects, and it has two light indicators, which the top indicates red, green, and blue, indicating what Bluetooth device you are on, and the bottom where the red indicates charging and green indicates full charge. On the back, you have your Type-C port, which is in the middle but a little bit to the right. On the side of the keyboard, it is raised on an angle. On the bottom, it has 4 rubber feet with adjustable stand, and it has a switch to enable Bluetooth or to connect via Type-C. Finally, the keyboard length is 34 cm, 10.8 cm on width, and 3.5 cm on height. The keyboard also weighs around 610 grams, making this kinda heavy, comparing to the K220 keyboard from Logitech, which is somehow lighter. The switches on the keyboard is using the Wano Brown switches. They are Cherry clones from the original Cherry MX Browns, however, it still does feel the same as the original one. For Bluetooth, it works on Bluetooth 3.0 above. It supports Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, and iOS. To connect the keyboard to these devices, first press Fn plus Q to switch to the first device, then enter pairing mode by pressing Fn plus P and wait for 3 seconds. Then, once the Bluetooth indicator is blinking, the keyboard will be automatically detected once Bluetooth is turned on in your devices. To switch to another device, you can press Fn plus W or Fn plus E to switch to the second and third device. And to connecting Bluetooth, it's the same process. In terms of the responsiveness of the keyboard wirelessly, there isn't any delays or problems. I even went to the bathroom or my sister's room and the keyboard still works without any latency or delay. Battery wise, it has a 1000 mAh lithium battery, which rechargeable once Type-C is connected. In terms of battery life, with the backlight on, it can last for 9 hours, while with backlight off, it can last almost 4 days, which is cool. Also, the good part of this keyboard is that after 10 minutes, it goes to power saving sleep, and 30 minutes, it will go to deep sleep, which helps to save your battery, and when you want to use it again, press any key on the keyboard and it will be back on as usual. The shortcuts on the keyboard include the following: Fn plus right arrow, next backlit effects, Fn plus left arrow, previous backlit effects, Fn plus up arrow, brighten backlit, Fn plus down arrow, dim backlit, Fn plus quote, increase backlit speed, Fn plus semicolon, decrease backlit speed, Fn plus left control, switch between 1 to 0 and F1 to F12 functions, Fn plus A, switch to Mac mode, Fn plus S, switch to Windows mode, Fn plus Z, previous song, Fn plus X, play/pause, Fn plus C, next song, Fn to 1 to 0 is F1 to F10, Fn plus minus F11, Fn plus equals F12, Fn plus delete, reset to factory default.
Nice.
I am going to be showing you the 18 lightning effects with some background music, so enjoy! Finally, I'm going to play a sound test of the Ajazz K680 and also compare to my other keyboards I have lying around. So enjoy the clip. Now, costing around 1728 Filipino pesos or $35.83 in Shopee. Do I recommend this mechanical wireless keyboard? For me, yeah. Despite the keyboard not being hot swappable and how it's on the cheap price point, it's still a decent keyboard and would recommend this to anyone. If you want more than just the black variant and brown switches, you can also go get the white variant of the keyboard and other switches such as the Wano red, black, and blue switches, which is a bonus if you want to have them in your keyboard. But, however, if you want a better keyboard instead of the Ajazz K680T, you might need to spend a few more bucks to get the RK61, which is a pure 60% keyboard and isn't hot swappable, but still a good mechanical keyboard which cost around 1920 Filipino pesos or $39.91. Or you can get the GK61 since not only it's pure 60% but it's also hot swappable, but can only use optical switches. But however, this cost around 2210 Filipino pesos or $45.94. Thank you for watching my review on the Ajazz K680T. If you liked my review, go like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews, builds, and more. If you have any more questions or anything more about the keyboard, go comment down below, or you can chat with me on Discord, which you can join in the link of the description. Also, check out my Facebook page if you're interested to go and check it out. From that is all I have for now. Again, thank you for watching. This is Kyle, aka Aspire, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!